thejbeans.net.
Half Moon Cay, which is also known as Little San Salvador Island, is a Carnival Corporation private island that provides quick and easy access to snorkeling, whether you take a ship excursion or bring your own equipment and snorkel at the beach. This video will show you our experience snorkeling on our own during our last trip to Half Moon Cay. To access the beach area where we snorkeled, leave the tender dock and enter the shopping area. Then turn left and walk past the information hut. Then follow the signs to Half Moon Beach. You will likely see your ship in the distance when you get to the beach. After you enter the water, keep going out until the water is about 4 to 6 feet deep, and then start looking underwater for spherical artificial reefs that are home to many fish and other sea life. Although you're highly likely to find fish swimming in and out of the spheres, don't forget to peek inside the spheres to see if there are other fish hiding inside. If you keep heading further out in the water and toward the left, just past the large private oasis cabana structure near the rocks on the left, you'll find a rocky reef area that is home to many more fish and sea life. During our trip, we even got to see an octopus make its way from hiding spot to hiding spot, blending in along the way. If you continue even further to the left, to the rocky shore near the private oasis cabana, you will likely find larger schools of fish looking for food under the rock formations. Finally, just like the fish at other private islands visited by cruise ships, the fish at Half Moon Cay are clearly used to being fed by passengers, so don't be surprised if a school of fish surrounds you, waiting to find out if you have anything to offer.